The 10th man view of the national security. If 9 of us who get the same information arrived at the same conclusion, it's the duty of the 10th man to disagree, no matter how improbable it may seem. The 10th man has to start thinking about the assumption that the other 9 are wrong. This popular dialogue from the movie World War Z is basically about an alternative method of intelligence estimates, also called critical method, developed by the team that was formed to analyze the intelligence failure of the Yom Kippur War, 1973. The logic behind this approach, pioneered by political philosopher Karl Popper, was based on the idea of refutation not verification, or the human tendency to generalize from their experience. It says that, from all the hypotheses that can explain what is happening, one must choose not necessarily the one that is better supported by information, but the one that has no information that refutes it, as shared by Major General Professor Isaac Ben Israel, a member of that team, in his paper Philosophy and Methodology of Intelligence. It is important here to note that Israel is an example of the Western Bloc's partnership. It's a nation whose dependence on the Western world is crucial for its existence in a hostile region and among the most complex neighbors in the world. But despite that, when it comes to its national security, it works on two key doctrines, the 10th man view and rise and kill first principles. No strategic calculations can stop Israel from not pursuing that. So this idea that bearing the burden of US partnership is more important than pursuing India's national security priorities belongs to an obsolete outlook. It's a moral hurdle that needs to be discarded. Some of the early signs of the creator economy that we discussed in the previous parts are also based on this 10th man view. At a time when everyone around is becoming an active participant in the creator economy and its success models, it is the job of the 10th man to suspect and reject them.